Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how we prepare our rice and stew in where I come from, that is Benin, Edo State. So guys, these are all the meats I'm going to use. We always like to use different kind of assorted meat for this stew. So this rice and stew is different because of the leaf I'm going to use. So these are the leaves I'm going to use for this recipe. If you have ever been to Benin before, you understand what I'm talking about. So guys, when you go to Benin, sometimes if they are doing parties or along the street in Benin, you will see people hawking rice. They will wrap it in leaf, like in this leaf. So it's so good and nice. So guys, I just want to share it with you guys. So now let's get started. So these are the other ingredients that I'm going to use for the stew. I'm going to use some tomato, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, onion, curry, thyme, Aromat, Nutmeg, and I'm going to also use a red oil and sunflower oil. I'm going to mix the both together. I'm also going to use these 2 eggs you're seeing there, ginger, and this fish you're seeing here is a dry fish. We call it ehe, and also salt to taste. So guys, let's get started. So I've washed everything, so I'm just blending my bell pepper and the other ingredients together. So I've blend everything together. I just want to steam the tomato a little bit, not to dry too much. So now I just put in my onion inside the meat to cook it. I've mixed all the ingredients I'm going to use. I just mix everything together. I'll just pour everything in here. So some of this meat are so hard, so I don't want to cook it too much. I'll just cook it a little bit, let's say half done. Like the shark is so strong, the cow tail and the bomo, that is cow skin, is so strong, so you need a lot of time to cook it. And I will steam it for 5 minutes before I add water. That is how I cook my meat. I do it like this so that it can have a very good taste. After steaming it for 5 minutes, then I'll add water. Then I'll cover it to cook. My tomato is just cooking, it's ready now, so I just have to turn off the heater and set it aside. Wait for the meat to ready. So now the meat is okay. Now I pour in my oil. You can use, if you want to use only sunflower oil, you can do it, but in Benin sometimes we use palm oil to make our stew. I'll add my sunflower oil, add my salt, and pour in my onion. I'll add my tomato paste. I'll give it a nice stir. Now I'll just pour in my tomato, add my Maggi, my curry, some nutmeg, and I also add some Aromat, Paprika, and I'll leave it to cook. So now I'll just add some of the meat, because some of them are so strong, so I have to cook it with the stew very well so that the stew can penetrate inside the meat. So when you are eating the meat, you feel the stew, like the shaki, the cow tail, the cow skin. Those are very strong, so I have to put them now. Then the beef, I'll put it later. I just add the meat stock, and I'll keep the beef later. I just want to put the beef. Just put the beef now because I don't want to cook it with the other meat, because those are too strong. Why the beef is so tender, I don't want it to be too soft. That is why. So now I'll just put this dry fish. Guys, this dry fish just give it a nice taste. So now this is my rice that I'm going to cook. So my water is already boiling. I'll just wash my rice thoroughly, then I put salt in the water, then I just boil the rice. That is all. So easy to do. So guys, as you can see, I'll just add the eggs. And if you want your egg to have a very good taste, if you are cooking stew, just put with a fork, you just put hole around it, then you leave it inside the stew. The stew will just go inside the egg. It's so tasty when you are eating it with the rice. That is that. Guys, you can't imagine the flavor and the smell of this stew around this house. Wow. So my stew is ready, guys. Is ready. As you can see, so tasty, yummy, and so good. These are the leaves that I'm going to use. This leaf just make this rice to be unique, because in Benin it's so special for us. Even in the occasion, you go to places, they just sell the rice all over the whole places, you know. So that is how I pray one day you guys to go to Benin also. So my rice is almost dried, so just wrap it on the leaf. That is all, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As you can see, the rice is ready. We just have to wrap it. Share, like, and leave a comment. Guys, I want to say thank you. I so much appreciate, and subscribe above all. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for another rice recipes. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you tomorrow again. Ciao.